Hi and welcome guys in this tutorial for beginners. In this video I will show you how to use the polyline command and what its purpose is. And if you haven't seen the previous video in this playlist, go watch them. Now I will show you how to use command polyline. A polyline is actually a group of lines, all connected to each other, like one object. Okay, so to draw a polyline, you can click in this icon in the top, or you can also type with the keyboard polyline or simply PL and click enter. As you can see, this is the same way to draw a line. Now you can draw how much line that you need. For example, 500, 400, 300, 200, 200. If you want to join in the last with the first point of the polyline, you can type CL, that means close, or do it manually as I did. When you finish, click ESC to cancel the command. So, the main characteristic when I draw a polyline is that I select all these lines together because they are considered only one object. So this is the end. Thanks for your watching and expect the next video. I will be happy if you support me by clicking the subscribe button and like this video.